Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account in a very simple way. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here you have to go over to your menu. It's at the down at the right corner. If you're using an iPhone, to be at the up over there. So let me go over to menu, which is showing your profile picture, and over here you have to go over to setting and privacy and go over to setting. Then you move over to account center, which is over here. Over here at account center you have to go over to personal details, which is here, and go over to account ownership and control. And over here is showing account ownership and control, is showing memorization and the activation or deletion. So you have to go over to the activation or deletion. So you have to choose the account which you want to delete here on Facebook. Let me go over to the first one, and also here they say the activating or deleting your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. So you have to shift it to over to delete account from the deactivate account to delete account. Then you go over to continue, and here it says select your Facebook account. So you have to choose the Facebook account which you want to delete. And if you're also deleting your Facebook account, anything connected to your Facebook, which is your Instagram, in case your Instagram is also connected to your Facebook, is going to be deleted also. And your page, your Facebook page also is also going to be deleted. So let me go over to continue, and over here they're asking you before you delete, we may able to help you the reason why you want to delete your Facebook accounts. Let me just go over to I no longer find Facebook useful and go over to continue. And they say get out of Facebook, just go over to continue, and yeah, they say permanently delete account. Once this selection begin, you'll be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any of the content or information you've added. So for you just have to go over here and go over to continue, and when you go over to continue, everything connected to your Facebook app, your Facebook account is going to be deleted and you won't be able to recover it. And this is the end of this video. I hope I'm able to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently, and this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.